So I seem to have a predicament. I consistently seem to be stuck in the middle of the desert in a car that's dead. I was out here today driving my 2020 Mazda Miata, ND, because I'm a hairdresser, and I was just having fun in the canyon. And I forgot that when I left, originally I had to jump it because I hadn't driven it in a while. I watched a Gaudin X video on how to jump the car, and it worked. I jumped it, but now it's dead because I pulled over to take some pictures and I shut the car off because I didn't want it running, and now I can't start it. But it's a good thing because I've watched another Gaudin X video, specifically this video, as I'm going to show you guys how to bump start your car if it has power. Like, you can see the gauge light up, but it doesn't have enough juice to get the car started. So it attempts to crank, and then you hear like a noise. Well, maybe not that kind of, that's bad, but like you guys know what I mean, like the not able to start noise. So I'm going to show you guys how you bump start your car so you can get home safely. All right, so we're inside the Miata. Like I said, the car won't start. It doesn't have enough juice to start because I had to jump it. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get in here. Of course, you can only do this in a manual. I assume most of you know that. You cannot push start a automatic car. It doesn't work. Because if you try push starting an automatic car, if you just put it in drive, you're gonna destroy the transmission. You can't do it. So manual only, like this right here. So 6-speed. So first things first, you're gonna get in here. Of course, you're gonna make sure you're either on a downward slope because the car needs to move. You obviously can't do this on an upward unless you flip the car on. I don't know. Regardless, you might also need to get some help from some friends pushing the car if you're on a flat surface. So we're on a downward, so we don't need anybody to push it, but you're going to come in here, you're going to click the button. When you see all of the lights turn on and everything, you see all of it, but of course you're not able to start. So what you're going to do is you can see forward, we're on a downward. So I'm going to just let the car start rolling. So it's rolling. You're going to put it in first gear and you just let go of the clutch. And there we go. That's it. The car is on. So we are fully driving now. The car is driving. The engine's on. It's running. One thing I want to stress to you guys is if the engine is the issue, like the car won't start because there's an engine issue, don't keep trying to do this because you'll destroy the clutch. Obviously this is a last resort measure. If the car's dead and you don't have a jump box, this is a last resort measure of how to get it started. But you don't want to consistently keep doing this because then you're gonna, cause issues to the transmission engine. Obviously it's gonna take a lot for it to cause major issues, but you don't want to do this more than you have to. Now that's pretty much it. It's very simple. Like I said, just to reiterate, you put it in first gear and then you essentially just let go of the clutch. It's almost like you're dumping the clutch. The car will just kind of stutter, and then, of course, the engine will fire up if there's no other engine issues. Now it's running. We have AC again, which thank goodness because it's pretty hot in Vegas today. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, you let me know down below. This isn't meant to be like a super crazy long video. This is just a super quick get me out of a sticky situation kind of video where, if you don't know what you're doing, this is a good little tactic to know. Again, do not attempt to do this consistently. You shouldn't be starting your car like this. This can also work if you have a problem with your starter. So if your starter is going out, like it won't start the car, but you have battery, you can also use this to get the car started. So yeah, let me know down below if you have any questions or anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.